Introducing the Smoothie Diet, 21-day weight loss plan. Lose weight and feel better than you have in years. Delicious, easy-to-make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy, and incredible health. 21 days to a slimmer, sexier you. The Smoothie Diet is a revolutionary new life transformation system that not only guarantees to help you lose weight and feel better than you have in years. It also promises to eliminate more body fat, faster than anything you've tried before. In just a few minutes from now, you'll have access to all the tools you need to lose weight and get healthy as quickly as possible. Everything is laid out step by step, so you can start today and lose weight by tomorrow. Whether you need to lose the last 5 to 10 pounds, or you want to get rid of 40 pounds or more, this will work for you. This diet is extremely flexible, so even though this program is 21 days, you can continue using it for as long as you want, to lose as much weight as you want. Dramatic weight loss is only one of the numerous benefits you'll get from this diet. How would you like more energy, clearer skin, better sleep, sharper thinking, stabilized blood sugar, and more? It's time to change the entire way you look at weight loss. You are only 21 days away. Click the link below this video and get instant access to the program.